Hello! Today we are cooking a popular Japanese home dish called Tonjiru, which just means soup with pork. On a cold winter day, there is really nothing better than a hot bowl of this simple, soul-warming soup. Besides pork, there is no real fixed list of ingredients for this soup, but the more common ones are carrots, daikon, and mushroom. I swapped the more commonly used burdock for lotus root in this video because I like lotus root better. Alright, our pork soup Tonjiru is ready. The soup is very rich with flavors from the veggies and the fat of the meat. And it's super filling too.